Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Without a microphone today, unfortunately, but thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. And today we are unboxing the 4K Steelbook edition of Ben Hur. This is one of the greatest movies of all time, one of the great epics, winner of 11 Academy Awards, including Best Picture. Ironically, the only one it lost was the screenplay, which, well, there was some issue going on with the writing credit, so that kind of makes sense. So this is a Steelbook edition. There is a non-Steelbook edition, but collectors will probably want this one, and it's going to probably sell out fast, so hurry up and grab it if you haven't already. That's a great shot of Ben Hur on the cover. We go to the back, and of course it talks about the 4K resolution on 2 discs. This is a G-rated film, believe it or not. And let's open it. Let's see what this Steelbook actually looks like, you know, without all the advertisements covering it. I mean, I guess the advertisement that it won 11 Academy Awards is going to go away, and I kind of don't like that, but I also sort of understand. At least they're not ashamed that their movie won 11 Academy Awards. So let's... Ooh, this is going to be nice. I can already tell you this is going to be nice. Ooh, bumped. Look at that. That is great. That is great. I love that shot. Now let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, so we have the special features Blu-ray here, and it's green. That kind of makes sense. I like the color that they're using for the 4Ks. It's very biblical, if you will, because for those of you who are not unaware, this is a movie about the Christ. Yeah, I like that. I like that quite a bit. So this is a very nice set. And of course, while we don't talk about the video quality, because obviously I haven't seen it yet, I have heard amazing things about this restoration. And I did see a theatrical release of the 4K version a few months ago, so I can tell you it does look stunning. So that is what the Ben Hur Steelbook edition looks like. I'm curious, do any of you have this? What do you think of the movie? What do you think of the Steelbook? If you didn't get the Steelbook, what do you think of your standard packaging? And for those who just want digital, hey, I'm giving away another one. So if you go to this website and you follow these steps and you put in this code, you can get a free digital copy of Ben Hur, because I already have this digitally, so I don't need this code. Just another thank you for everyone who subscribes and watches. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters, and I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running, and of course is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to, it is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, you know, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.